Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the image into an AI editor that supports inpainting. Select the text precisely, zoom in and use a soft selection with about 10px feather, then run the first inpaint pass to replace letters with surrounding texture. While it processes, examine edges and pattern direction. Once done, save a working copy as PNG so you can revert. This first pass removes obvious glyphs. It sets the canvas for deeper fixes in the next step. Now you refine using context-aware blending and multiple small inpaint passes. Do not try one huge fill. Start with texture-preserving settings, and if needed, run a second pass focused on edges. Use clone or patch tools for repetitive patterns, roof tiles, fabric weave, or texturized backgrounds, and blend with soft opacity. Make exposure and color match tweaks to align tones. As you work, compare against the original to ensure structure stays natural and artifacts are eliminated. Finish by applying subtle global noise or grain to unify the repaired area with the rest of the photo, then do selective sharpening where detail was lost. Downscale the final image by a small % if minor artifacts remain. This often hides residual seams. If you encounter visible repeats, redo the selection with a larger context area or switch to an alternative AI model and rerun inpaints. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, expand the sampled region and rerun rather than over-editing the same spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.